Hey, everybody! Welcome friends to our channel. In this video, you and I will talk about how you can delete all alarms on your iPhone. Before the video, be sure to put your like, write your comments, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get started. If you have a lot of alarm clocks, you don't know how to delete them. You may have switched from Android or you haven't done it yet. I'm going to show you how to do it. The process is actually quite simple, easy, and fast. Absolutely anyone can handle it. So, please open the clock app on your device. Next, go to the alarm clock section at the bottom. And hopefully find the alarm clocks that you feel you need to delete. To delete them, you will need to swipe from the right side to the left side like this. In order for the delete button to appear, tap Friends and your alarm clock will be instantly deleted. Or on the top left side, please click on Edit option. You will see a red minus next to each alarm clock, which means when you click on such alarm clock, it will be instantly deleted. Like this. When you delete all the alarms, friends, you can just click Ready and the changes will be done. That's how quick and easy you will be able to delete absolutely all alarm clocks on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, friends, and also make sure to put your likes. Take care.